Hey guys, it's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a full face of Miss Charlotte Tilbury. Yes, she just dropped brand new product, brand new foundation. We've got the foundation right here. It's amazing. We've got the Pillow Talk lip kit right here, and we've got the Pillow Talk eye kit. So, full face, Charlotte Tilbury. You want to see it? Keep watching. Remember guys, if you want to see more videos like this one, hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, let's get into it. Okay, so Charlotte Tilbury just launched her brand new foundation. This is it here. This is called Light Wonder. And this says, Your Light Dream Skin Foundation. So, yeah, that sounds great. Sounds hydrating. This also said, My best-selling, award-winning, celebrity favorite foundation. Perfect coverage in a light as air, breathable formula. Lots of claims. For perfect looking skin that is instantly illuminated and feels smoother and more hydrated, enriched with olive oil extract for more moisturized glowing complexion. So, okay, lots of big claims. I'm excited for this. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I picked up the color 0.5 Fair. Now, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm always gonna be honest with you guys. I was a little bit disappointed in the shade range. I'm just going to talk about it for a quick second. Charlotte Tilbury is a huge brand, and the shade range, very, very small. Very small. In today's day and age, we want to be inclusive, and I just want to put it out there that I was a little bit disappointed with the shade range for this because it was so small compared to other, brands of the same caliber and size. They have, 40, 50, 60 shades, and this one was tiny. Oh, that's cool. It says Charlotte Tilbury. Packaging is nice. Packaging is plastic. It looks like it's going to be a squeeze bottle, but this is it right here. I love that she has this like rose gold vibe. So pretty. Yes, it is a squeeze bottle. This is giving me like Revlon vibes from back in the day. But we're excited for this. So I also picked up this one right here. This is another kit from Charlotte Tilbury, and this one has the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes, which is the mascara, and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited for that. And the Rockin' Coal, which I think is a cute name, eyeliner, and I'm so excited for this one. So I've got this. Let's unbox it really quick. This is the Pillow Talk mascara. Let's have a look at the wand. Oh, she's tiny. I literally thought that would be big and fluffy like I like. And we have our Rockin' Coal eyeliner right here, like that. I've got this kit right here, and this is also from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Lip Secrets Pillow Talk kit. This one has a lip pencil, a lip liner, a lip gloss, I believe, and a liquid lip. So, super excited about this. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Don't need that. This one would be the lip pencil. This would be the bullet lipstick. I'm assuming this one is the liquid lip. And this one's the gloss. Okay, so I'm just giving this a little shake. This says it's made in Italy, so I'm super excited for this. I'm going to just open this up. I've got my handy dandy MAC palette here, which I super love. I'm going to put, okay, it's very liquidy. I'm going to put just a little bit on there. Tiny little squeeze. Okay, so it's runny, but not terribly runny. It's not like it's a, tart, hint skin tint or anything like that. So it's runny, but it's not terribly runny. We're good. I've got my foundation. I'm going to tap this onto my skin and probably then smooth it out with a brush. Oh, okay. That's coverage. I'm excited. That's so much coverage. It's like a nice sheer coverage, but more coverage than I guess I was anticipating. There's no scent to it, which I love, so I'm just going to tap that into my hairline. I'm just tapping that into my face like I always do. This is beautiful. So far, I'm actually really liking it. I would want a little bit more coverage under my eyes. So I'm actually going to go in with a second coat and see how that builds. But, I mean, that's why we're here, right? To, like, test it out together. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit more on my palette. I'm going to go in and just tap where I feel like I want to build that foundation. I mean, it's not full coverage. It's like a medium coverage. But it does, like, let your skin kind of shine through. It's really pretty. It builds. I definitely want a good concealer with it. Tapping some on my ears. Okay, so first impressions, it's pretty, it's weightless, there's no scent to it, it goes on looking flawless. I really like it, but I need more. Like, I just need a little bit more. I mean, I wasn't expecting full coverage, like, you know, blow me out of the water like Juvia's Place. Like, I was expecting just a little bit more, I guess. But that's what concealer is for. Now, do I have any Charlotte Tilbury concealer in front of me? No. So I'm actually going to go in probably with my Dior. Okay, so let's talk first impressions. Now that I've got concealer on, one coat, I really love this foundation. I think it's really pretty. It's weightless, it's scent-free, it feels like nothing on the skin. In a comparison, if I was to take like a higher end product like La Mer, for instance, this is giving me a similar vibe. So if you're looking to get that high end vibe, this is a really good dupe for that. The difference is with La Mer, I didn't love it so much because I found it had a little bit of a scent to it. This one doesn't. It's completely scent free and it's giving me that flawless finish with similar vibes. Next, I'm going to go in and powder my face. I'm just going to use one of these kind of, it's like an angled beauty blender-ish thing. It's not made by Beauty Blender, but it's like a velvet, and I absolutely am loving this product right now. It's flat on this side, it's cut here. You can go in, get really close under your eyes to powder. I'm loving this product. I started using this a couple of months ago, but I haven't really talked about it too much on my channel, so I thought I would share this with you guys. I'm just gonna dip into my powder. I've got a good amount of powder there, and I'm just going to dip and go under my eyes. It works so good for setting your under eyes. And it's dry. I should let you guys know I'm using it dry, not wet. Especially when you're making mask-proof makeup, I find using something that has a bit of a velvet to it, like this one does, it just kind of catches the product and you can push it into your skin just a little bit more. I really like that. It's a little tip for you guys. I went in, I did my brows, looking cute and snatched, and I went in and I just threw on some bronzer and some contour and just a little bit of highlight. I went in and did my eyes with this Nikki Tutorials and Beauty Bay collab palette. I love this palette. I don't reach for it enough. Like, it's so pigmented, so fantastic. So, guys, so far, the foundation, it's glowy, it's hydrating. It's been on for a hot minute because I've done the rest of my makeup, and it's cute. Like, I'm loving it. Okay, guys, let's go in and test out the rest of these Charlotte Tilbury products. I'm going to start with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Mascara, and when this came out a couple of weeks back, It was the talk. Like, everyone was talking about this. I picked it up. I've just had so much product in my bins to share with you guys. This one kind of fell to the bottom, but we've got it. We're testing it out now, and I'm so excited to test this out with you guys. The wand is kind of that stiff, bristly, you know, plasticky wand. It's not the kind of wand, as you guys know, I gravitate to when purchasing a mascara. I like a full, fluffy wand. These ones, I don't know, they freak me out. I just feel like they're like eye stabbers. But I'm gonna give this my best go. We're gonna test it out and see how it wears. Actually, first impressions, the wand is really easy to maneuver and use. The mascara is stunning. It's absolutely beautiful, and I understand what all the fuss is about. This mascara, I still have to go in and do the other eye for my bottom lashes, but if you guys can see, I put it on this eye for my bottom lashes, and it is just giving me like extra lashes. It's giving me more. It's giving me dramatic. It's giving me volume. It's giving me everything I want in a mascara. Like, between this side, which obviously I still have the mascara boo-boo there, but this side and this side, stunning. Can you guys see that? Absolutely amazing. Okay guys, let's talk about this mascara. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Lashes Mascara. I understand what all the hype is about. This is phenomenal. Like, I just put this on my lashes. It's giving me lashes for days. It's giving me lift. It's giving me dramatic. It's giving me separation. It's giving me that life. It's black. It's luxurious. It goes on amazing. I thought I would absolutely hate this because of the wand, and I really don't like wands like that, but this wand is phenomenal, like mind-blowing, like just nuts. Like, this has blown my mind. If you guys look at my lower lashes, it's giving me separation. It's giving me that length. It looks like I have more than I actually do. Like, it's fantastic. This is fantastic, like nuts. I'm excited. I'm gonna go in now and do my waterline with this Charlotte Tilbury liner. This is called Barbarella Brown. I'm gonna just line my waterline. Okay, so the liner is pretty spectacular. I do love it. It's not my favorite of this year for liner launches, but I love it. Like, it's fantastic. If you're picking up Charlotte Tilbury and you want to do a full face, I really, really like it. But I love the Too Faced one that I had in a previous video, the Killer Eyeliner from Too Faced, better. So, being real with you guys, you know, being honest with you. I'm gonna go in now. I'm gonna line my lips with this Lip Cheat Pillow Talk lip pencil. Okay, this lip liner is phenomenal. I love it. So creamy, so luxurious. Gold stars all the way. I'm now gonna go in with the Bullet Pillow Talk lipstick. That is such a pretty shade that's gonna look amazing on absolutely all skin tones. Loving this Pillow Talk lip color. I think I've tried it in a previous video in a different like little mini set a couple of months back when she launched it. Like, this is so pretty. Alright, let's go in with that lip topper. I'm curious about this one, so I'm gonna go in with the sparkly one, I think, because the other one is just a gloss. So this is again the doe foot. Amazing, not sticky at all. It's just stunning with a little bit of sparkle reflect in it. Such a cute lip topper. Absolutely loving this little product right here from Charlotte Tilbury. Alright guys, this is my full face. Let me know what you guys want to see. What brands you want me to review. I want to know. Write it in the comments down below. Alright guys, remember, smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.